Hey guys, well we're here. We're starting the video. Here we go. The Drocon Blue Bugs 3. This is my first flight. I'm sorry for the background noise. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to record this flight. I didn't put no kind of camera on it. I figured the camera's mute. We're more interested in how the drone flies. So sit back and watch the flight. Make sure this is still working. Yep, still working. Alright, here we go. So what we got to do here, turn the drone on, turn the controller on. I've already done the calibration and the pairing, so there it goes. Alrighty. Now this is a non-GPS drone, so one good hit should start it. Let's see what happens. There she goes. I'll take her up. There we go. We'll fly around. Go flying around. Actually flies pretty good. There she goes. Quiet drone. Seems to fly well. I'm actually impressed. Let's see how it gets some speed on it here. Move around. But I'm more interested in what the drone does than what I do in any kind of camera system. So. There she comes. There she is. Real quiet drone. Flies quite well. Get over here so I'm not flying into the sun with her. Like I say, this is a non-GPS and non-altitude hold, so I haven't flown a drone like this in a long time. There we go. It flies super awesome. I heard that about these things. They fly super well. It's an awesome flying drone. There she is. She's kind of hanging there. This is a Drocon Blue Bugs 3. It is set up for a GoPro camera you can put on the bottom of it. I didn't bring them out here. You can have the legs on it or off if you want. You can have the legs on it if you like, or you can take them off, and you can actually put an FPV camera on it. This is the Drocon Blue Bugs 3. It comes with 4 brushless motors. Sorry about the sun. Trying to keep her down here. You can see it right there. She does well. I haven't flown a non-GPS drone in quite a while. I still got it, I guess. You can see the blue lights on the back. You can see the whites on the front. There you go. Let's see how we can get her down here. There's any landing you can walk away from is good. There we go. like I say, to arm it, you see the props aren't turning. Quick hit of the red button. There we go. She's armed. There we go. There she flies. Actually a pretty awesome flyer. It really is. I'm not just saying that because they're I'm not just saying that because they give me this drone to do the reviews on. I won't do it that way. You can see right there. I'm still not. I'm flying a GPS drone, non-GPS. It does have most likely a system on board to help for stabilization, but there's no GPS, no nothing. You can see it flies quite well. You can see right there. And there she goes. Coming at us. Flying by. Confident enough to fly it right by my face here, so there we go. Get some altitude with her and fly around. Fly around, get some altitude with her. Bring her in. Coming in hot. You see right there, she's got her in the sun here. I'll go get her over here. Hopefully you can see it. There she is. Just kind of hanging there. Take me back to my old days. I'm used to GPS drones with the altitude hold and all that. And this one here does pretty good maintaining itself. There it is. There she is. Do a little side swipe here with it. Action. Flies sideways. Excellent. There she is. There she is. Let's see if I can get her yaw around at me. There she is. And we take off again. This thing is awesome. Bring her in. Bring it down slow and easy. Coming back at me. Alright, she's letting me know that she's getting low on battery, so we're going to bring her in, guys. Let's see if we can bring her down. Bring her in. Here she comes. The two beeps let me know that the battery is getting down there. Sorry about that. My hat fell off. I'll bring her in. Here we come. Here she comes. There she is. Kind of hanging there. Bring her down just like that. Any landing you walk away from is a good one. So that's my land and my little crash of the Drocon Blue Bugs 3. Hope you enjoyed the flight. More to come. This is my first of 3. So far, if I had to rate this thing, it's an amazing little drone for the money. Not just saying that, I'm saying it because I believe it. I haven't flown a non-GPS drone in ages, and this thing here, it flies better than any non-GPS drone I've ever been around. So, and it is set up to be FPV mode. So this is my first of 3 reviews of the Drocon Bugs 3. You can get it at drocon.co in the United States here, or drocon.co.uk is where you can get it from too. The matte blue is done specifically for Drocon drone distributor, so that's the only way. If you like the matte blue finish, the only way you're going to get it is through Drocon. So feel free to check them out. They're under $100, and it's got 4 brushless motors. It's a fast flying drone to me, and it's got an 1800 milliamp battery. You can put a camera on it. I choose not to do the review with a camera because I'm not reviewing the camera. I'm reviewing the drone itself. So as far as flights, it works well. Whoever gets one will definitely like it. Thanks very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates on the Drocon Bugs 3 in the Blue series. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. And there it is, guys. Bugs 3.